Programming your GE Universal Remote to work with your Vizio TV using the code-based method is straightforward when you follow the right steps. First, make sure your Vizio TV is powered on. You can use the power button on the TV itself or your existing remote. Next, locate the code list for your specific GE remote model. This is usually found inside the battery compartment, online, or in your user manual. Make sure you know your remote model number like CL3, CL4, CL5, or CL6. Press and hold the Setup button on your GE remote until the indicator light turns on. This light is usually red and shows the remote is in programming mode. Next, press the TV button on your remote. This tells the remote that you want to program it to control a television. Now enter the Vizio code using the number buttons. Common codes include 19 for 2-digit systems, 004 for 3-digit systems, and 1758 for 4-digit systems. When you enter the correct code, the indicator light will turn off, showing the code has been accepted. Finally, test your remote by pointing it at the TV and pressing the power button. If the TV turns off, congratulations, your remote is successfully programmed. If the TV doesn't respond, simply repeat the process with a different code from your list. Remember, the exact code depends on your specific remote and TV models, so you may need to try several codes from your list to find the one that works perfectly. When the code-based method doesn't work, auto-programming offers an alternative solution. This method automatically searches for the correct code for your Vizio TV. First, make sure your Vizio TV is turned on using either the TV's power button or your existing remote control. Press and hold the Setup button on your GE remote until the indicator light starts flashing. This puts the remote into programming mode. The auto-programming process involves 3 key steps. First, press the TV button. The light should blink and then stay on, indicating the remote is ready to search for your TV's code. Next, point the remote at your TV and press the power button every 2 to 5 seconds. Continue this process until your TV turns off. This indicates the remote has found the correct code. As soon as the TV turns off, immediately press the TV button again to save the code. This locks in the programming so you won't have to repeat the process. After programming, test all the remote functions to ensure everything works properly. Check power control, volume adjustment, channel changing, and input selection. If you're experiencing issues, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. Ensure your batteries are fresh and properly installed, remove any objects blocking the signal path, and confirm you're using the correct code list for your specific remote model. Pay special attention to the TV's infrared sensor. Make sure nothing is blocking it, as even small obstructions can prevent the remote from working properly. For persistent issues, try these advanced solutions. Reset your remote by pressing Setup, then Mute, then 0. You can also refresh both devices by removing the remote's batteries and unplugging your TV for 5 seconds. If you continue to experience problems after trying these solutions, consult the GE Universal Remote Support website or contact their customer service for additional assistance.